Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to send a video with text on WhatsApp web group on your PC with the latest updates. Let's dive into the steps to easily share videos with captions in your WhatsApp web group. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC to access the web version. Next, navigate to the WhatsApp group where you want to send the video with text. Click on the plus icon within the group chat and select Photos and Videos from the options provided. Choose the video you wish to share from your computer files and click on the Open button to attach it to the group chat. In the caption bar located below the video, type the text you want to accompany the video. Once you have entered your desired text, simply click on the Send button to share the video with text in the WhatsApp web group. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate within your WhatsApp web group by sharing videos with personalized text captions. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to send videos with text in a WhatsApp web group on your PC. Enhance your group interactions by combining multimedia content with text messages.